Guys, due to consistent public demand, the band royalty t-shirt is down to 6 pieces. So anybody who's interested about this nice shirt, for the stickers, band royalty stickers, City USA stickers, and the Cielshock sticker, obviously, hit me up on Facebook, hit me up on Instagram, and in YouTube. And also Print Nation and Game Buzz in the Philippines, but in the US you can hit me up. Alright, so let's get on the show. What's up, guys? This is Cielshock from City USA Mini 4wd Racing Squad, and I'm a teacher here in Works. And today we're gonna unbox the kit that is very, very hype right now, and I have to expedite the shipping to get it. Thank you for the people who helped me. Thank you, Mix and Lord G, for sending me this kit. Alright, I'm not gonna let you wait anymore. I think I'm the first one in YouTube, in the land of YouTube, who's gonna unbox this Gun Blaster Special Edition, Philippine Special Edition, Gun Bluster XTO. So this is a Lil's Hobby Center 50th anniversary, and you can get it only in the Philippines right now. And I'm one of the lucky person that got it first. Okay, so now that I'm so excited to unbox this, before we unbox this, obviously, if you're looking for a kit, you look for the name, obviously, over here, as I always teach you guys. This should say Gun Blaster XTO Philippine Special Edition, Lil's Hobby 50th anniversary. You'll see what's in there, all the parts that's in there right here. You'll see the series also, which is very important, the fully cowed Mini 4-wheel drive series right there. What kind of chassis, as you can see the Lil's logo over there. And these are the parts too on the side, what's inside the box, and where it's made. And it's made from the motherland right there, 2018, made in the Philippines. Alright, so let's unbox this bad boy. Alright, so when I'm unboxing a Mini 4-wheel drive kit, I always say my opinion about the values of the parts, how my opinion were its category, what category you can use the parts, and all that fun stuff. Alright, so now we're finally opening it. Ta-da! Alright, so that's translucent green right there. That's the body shell. As you can see, I'm gonna open this. As I open this, it depreciates the value. Alright, so you can see that translucent green over there. It's the typical gun blaster, so I guess it's gonna fit on the FMA. We'll find out about that. And you can see that when the first the first gun blaster came out, it was 97. It says over there in the back. Alright, so that's like translucent there. It's close to lime green, but I really like it. There you go. For me, the translucent green body shell, as in the Philippines, they can use it for speed tech. I think you can use it for Tune Class 2. Basically, you can use it in technical, the Philippine technical races. Pro stock, because you can mix and match, and super stock. And it's valuable for box stock too, so I will give this a 10. I think the only category I will not use this is high speed, because the body shells will be a little bit heavier, but I can still manage. So this is perfect. I think I can use it in any body shell. It's adaptability for FMA and FM chassis. Alright, so that's your lime green right there. Oh my god, I love it. Alright, next part, there you go. There's your internals. So you can see your FM propeller shaft over there, your stock propeller shaft, which is like very valuable to FM users over there. And you'll see those terminals. Obviously, they're not gold-plated terminals. I'm not sure if they're gold-plated. I guess not. It's just regular terminals. I don't know if Lil's did something over there, but yeah. And then you have your 14mm rollers right there that you can put O-ring with the O-ring slot. So it's 13 without the O-ring, it's 14 with the O-ring. So it's very valuable when it comes to pro stock. You can use it with Pro Stock and Supra Stock in the Philippines. And open stock, you can use it because there's an O-ring slot. Also, you have your wheel shafts over there, 60mm wheel shafts. You have your stock motor, which is it's an SMC motor. There you go. As you can see, it's an SMC. It's not a Mabuchi motor, so they upgraded this stock motor. Because the old Gun Bluster have the Mabuchi motor, and I think the FMA have the SMC, so they have the SMC stock motor now. They have the purple pinion gear that you rarely see on a Gun Bluster kit. You still have those bushings with eyelets and everything, and you have the 4-1 gear as usual, and you have your orange gear, orange crown gear. That's very valuable for pro stock in any category, except from high speed. But yeah, so you can use all this. Alright, so I will give this a 10 too. And then you have your shaft right there for the gear shaft. I forgot. Alright, next part is, for me, is one of my favorite part because they finally upgraded this. Because the Gun Bluster used to have the small diameter. Now they have the medium, medium to low profile hard tires, white. And it's screaming white, so it's really nice. So these are low profile hard tires, which you can use in box stock too for lesser bounce. You already have that. You can also use it in pro stock. You can use it for Supra stock. You can use it for tune class and for speed tech, obviously, and Jacob races, because you can trim this. You can use this on stock races, and it's just very valuable. You can use it in technical too. So the hard tire is very valuable. And it's low profile. It's not those fat hard tires anymore, and there's no logo. It's just, I like white, so I will give this a 9 because they can use a super hard tire, but they didn't use it. So I'll give it a 9 for how valuable it is. All right. So next one would be the medium diameter wheels. These are very valuable to me because I love using these wheels. These are the 5-spoke wheel, and it's also black plated. If you can see closer, I'm gonna take it out. I don't care. I'm gonna take it out, lose the value more. All right, it's black plated. It's very, very nice. If you can see, it is like it's glaring. Yeah, so it's black plated medium diameter wheels, which is I think the second time that I see this on a Gun Bluster kit, because the FMA one, version 1, which I have, let's take a look. I have the FMA one. The FMA one have a medium too. Yeah, medium wheel, but it's low profile. So this is also a medium one, 5-spoke. So it's the second time that I saw this on a Gun Bluster kit, because the first Gun Bluster kit is a small diameter with fat tires. But these are, you can use this in pro stock, you can super stock, you can use it for tune class and speed tech, and it's very valuable. But I will give this an 8 because, one, they can use carbon, but they didn't use carbon. And plated wheels adds weight. And also, they can go all wide, but they didn't do that. They should have used the Y-spoke, for my opinion. I think they should have used the Y-spoke to make it better, because the Y-spoke carbon will be perfect. I think I'm going to show this. I'm going to show this Y-spoke carbon that I'm talking about, that I just got. Bear with me if I can find it. It's not. Right here. Found it. Yes. For me, they can use this, which is better, because it's carbon. And the gray is not bad. So they have the hard tires here too. See? They could have used this. But they use the plated ones, which is not that bad. You can use it for pro stock, as I've said, and stock races. And I can manage to use it. It just depends how you compensate it. It's not good or bad. But yeah, you can plated black. Nice. Alright. So next part would be, oh, the internals right here, which is very interesting because these are white internals. So you have your bushings over there, your terminal locks, battery lock, your gear cover, and your rollers. These rollers are very important too in stock racing. And the switch over there. And this is intriguing because this is the first time I will see an CFM chassis with a white internal in a kit. Because a CFM chassis, it's not just it's not on a kit. This is the first time that I see it in the kit. Correct me if I'm wrong if there are kits with carbon FM chassis. Because it's a carbon FM chassis, it usually match up with it comes with a black or gray. I think it's black. Let me double check. If you buy CFM, I still have my CFM. Yeah, if you have a carbon FM, it's just one color like this. But this one, the mixed match internals with white colorway, so it's like two-tone colorway with the chassis. And of course, I already showed you the people that are going crazy about, and some people are selling it overpriced. It's the carbon CFM chassis, carbon super FM chassis, and I would love to try this on. Some people are giving their opinions about it, but I will not give my opinion if I haven't tried it compared to the actual carbon chassis that I have, FM chassis. But CFM, you already know, it's durable. You can use it for speed tech, especially in the Philippines. You can use it for tune class. You can use it for box stock. You can use it for pro stock. It's very famous in pro stock and also in super stock in the Philippines. And here in America, you can use it in box stock. You can also use it for all the categories. I think it will just be useful. Even in tech, some people use it for technical. But this is a CFM. People might put their eyebrows up when I say the value of this. For me, the value of CFM is, like, I would say 8 or 7. Why? Because there's already an FMA. 2, I can reinforce the FMA to make it a tougher chassis compared to the CFM. My own opinion. Again, this is all my own opinion. I've used FM chassis, and yes, it's durable. It's like, you know, it's not my favorite chassis, but it's manageable. I can race with it because I've tried all the chassis. But there's an FMA now, which is more adaptable compared to the FM chassis. And the only reason for me, the advantage of this chassis is the durability of this chassis. And, you know, it's like a user-friendly chassis in the Philippines because almost everybody is using it. So if you need adjustments or advice about this chassis, there's a lot of people that will give you inputs and advice about this chassis. Not just me, but a lot of people back home knows how to tame this chassis. So I will give it a 7 or 8, but still carbon, so it's durable. And I'm not a hater of FM chassis. It's just I can use FMA and I will have more adaptability. But yeah, there you go. There's your CFM, and I will not buy this kit if I don't like it. So look at that. You have your tail over there. This one is valuable too. They can use it for super stock, pro stock, and other categories. So there you go. Your carbon tail over there. And let's go to the stickers. Last but not the least, the stickers. There you go. You can see the foil stickers. Gun Blaster XTO, and it's all green. And there's like the gold part over there. You have your sticker canopy, which is like silver. And obviously your Gun Blaster stripes over there. And this one thing that I really like about this is they put the Lil's Hobby over there. So Lil's Hobbies, people who doesn't know, it's the hobby shop in the Philippines that like sponsoring the races from Brickyard, all that stuff, the official Tamiya agent, Lil. And it's the 50th anniversary of that hobby shop. So imagine, it's the 50th anniversary of the hobby shop. It's 30 years of Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive. So before Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive, Lil's Hobby is already there in the Philippines. So the people who doesn't know. So that's the stickers of the Gun Blaster. Here's your instructions. Obviously, it's in Japanese and English. Nothing really special, but it says, there you go. I like how they put all the Lil's Hobby Center over there. Philippines. I'm just so proud because it's from the Philippines. And, you know, some instructions over there. Alright. So, stickers, chassis, the internals. I will put this back because I'm not gonna build this yet. Probably later. There you go. Wheels, tires, terminals, and obviously my favorite part, the body shell. Alright, so there you go. If you like more videos about this, like this, hit subscribe and like. Hit that bell button on the left side so you get every notification every time I upload a video. And shout out to the person that sent me this. Kumari ko yun eh. Si May. And then Lord G and Mix from 8 p.m. So shout out all the Newborks racers all over the world. 8 p.m. And yeah, this is Cielshock from CTUSA Mini 4wd Drive Racing Squad. I'm a teacher here in Newborks. As I always say, you learn from us. We learn from you. Always race humble. Peace.